What do you think, Ethan?
Good.
Good? Look, the room's nice and big.
Wow. And the telephone, if they want to call us?
And they can call us. Look, they can have a puppy if they want.
Yeah.
Yeah, look in the big closet.
Wow.
Wow. Whoop.
We have lots of social programs and lots of experiences.
And your little kitchen. Your little
That are all
hot
included.
plate. The kitchen. The
Full
fridge.
size.
Full size fridge. Oh, look, it comes with coffee. And a microwave and a toaster. And the living room. Oh my God, plenty of space. There we go.